Hi, welcome to my channel. As of Google I/O 2022, where the company revealed its full lineup of Android devices out into 2023, we know quite a bit about the upcoming Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. We've seen how the two phones will refine the iconic design of the Pixel 6 series, as well as a little bit of how the internal hardware will step things up from the debut Google Tensor chip. The smaller Pixel 7 will feature a 1080x2400 display which is capable of running at up to 90 Hz, while the Pixel 7 Pro will have a 1440x3120 display that can manage a 120 Hz refresh rate. If these specs seem familiar, that's because they are identical to what's offered on last year's Pixel 6 series. Google Pixel 7 5G gets a 64-bit octa-core Cortex-X1, Cortex-A55, and Cortex-A76 layout accompanied by an 8GB RAM and a Mali G78MP20 GPU. Also, we can spot the Google Tensor chipset within, taking care of the differential multitasking needs. A 4600 Mali polymer-type battery is installed within, compatible with a 33W fast charging system, and that's no coincidence, as current indications in the code point to the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro using the exact same Samsung panels, S6E3FC3 and S6E3HC3, respectively, as its predecessors. The most obvious of these is that the Pixel 7 is set to be a touch smaller than the Pixel 6, and the display will reflect that, being 1mm narrower and 2mm shorter. Meanwhile, the Pixel 7 Pro's display is unchanged in size compared to the Pixel 6 Pro. Google Pixel 7 5G packs restricted internal storage of 128GB. Connectivity-wise, it is compatible with 4G VoLTE networks, facilitating seamless communication on a daily basis. Also, there is NFC, 5G, Wi-Fi, a GPS GLONASS, mobile hotspot and USB Type-C available within. With this I am signing off. Thanks.